All right, so what brings me here today is another YouTube channel, and it's called Fox Can Fix It. Chris Fox is doing a series on hacks in the shop to make things work better, like taking a swivel socket, wrapping it with electrical tape, or using an O-ring, or like he posted today, placing a spring over it to keep it to where it's not just flopping all over the place. The other day, he posted a video on a poor man ultrasonic cleaner. Well, and he used a palm sander. And I commented on it, and I was like, yep, I've done that before, and I'll have to show you my design. And, well, today's that day. So I'm going to be putting together something that I built out of scrap stuff around my shop to clean small motorcycle carburetors, lawnmower carburetors, just small carburetors and small parts. Works really well to clean those parts up, and while you're going about your day doing other stuff. What we're going to use is a scrap piece of wood that was laying in the yard, literally. A coffee can, and the first one I built was actually the small coffee can, and it worked pretty good. A palm sander, which if you look right here, you can see the ring of where the palm sander actually sat on top of the can and would actually kind of wore a groove in the foam padding. And zip ties, 8 of them, and 3 screws. So let's get in here. I'll show you real quick how this thing goes together and how it works. All right, it's really rather simple. You just sit your can down on the piece of wood, and you take your 3 screws, and you're going to go around the base, not in the container, just by the container. Oh, and it helps to have better screws. These are also scrap reused screws that I found laying around. Basically, all these for, like I said, is to keep the container from wiggling around. And it should only take 3 of them. Okay. That should work. It's just to keep the base from dancing around and off of the board. So, all right, for this container, I had to use one of the longer zip ties. If you have 4 of those really long zip ties, it'll be helpful. But I had 6 mediums and 2 longs. Okay, just put them together in shape of a square like that. No big deal. Now, come down here. I'll move you down here and I'll show you how they work on the container. These I already have adjusted and sized for this particular setup. All right, so these I already have designed and arranged for this particular setup. You don't want to make your zip ties too tight, because what you're going to want to do is so you can slip them over the palm sander around the head of it, and you can take it on and off without any trouble. So you got your container sitting there, you got your zip ties set up so that you can palm sander up there, and you simply strap your palm sander down with your zip ties. And it may take, when the first time you do this, a little fiddling to kind of get it like you want it. But that's basically it right there. That should hold your palm sander in place. I have not tested this arrangement because I did it with a smaller can, so I may have to make some adjustments to it. So we're fixing to get in here and try it, plug it up, and see how it works. All right, well, we have mixed up a little bit of purple power and water. I don't know the exact mix, and I went and scrounged up a couple of greasy little small parts, little brackets. Okay, you can see how shiny it's supposed to be, and we'll see if we let these run for a little while if they can actually bring them back to shiny as they once were. So drop it down in there, place your lid on, palm sander in place, position your zip tie. And like I said, this design, you know, hey, it may take a little bit of fiddling to make it exactly work right with your palm sander, but, you know, let's see what it does. Yeah, it's a little loud, but let's take the straps off here on a glove. So this purple power, well, it turned the stuff pretty black. Let's see. That came out pretty clean. Needs a little rinsing. Looks like it could use a little more, but stuff's just coming right off of it. All right. That other bracket. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. This purple power's so strong it's taking the paint off. That's why you saw me put on this glove. Yeah, there's after I hit it with a little water. It, yeah, cleaned it up nice. The other bracket rinsed off really nice too. It's no grease, no debris left. And you can look, you can see that turned black. It was purple power. So yeah, there you go. You got your poor man's ultrasonic cleaner, and I got absolutely almost nothing involved in that because, well, you know, it's made from all the stuff I had laying around the shop. But go over and check out Fox Can Fix It Garage. He's got a lot of good content on his channel. He does stuff like this, quick hacks and quick tips. And, you know, he's a heck of a nice guy, too. So go check him out.